Hi Wisdom Tree Preschool. Today we're going to talk about the different horse coat colors. The first horse we'll start with is Blue. Blue is a flea-bitten gray, which means he has gray hair. And then all over his body he has small dark spots all over. As you can see, the little tiny ones that make him a flea-bitten gray. The next horse that we're going to look at is Ringo. Ringo is an Appaloosa, and there are a few types of Appaloosa horses. So Ringo is a leopard Appaloosa, which means that he just has a bunch of spots all over his body. The next Appaloosa that we're going to look at is Nash. So Nash is a frosted Appaloosa because he does not have spots all over his body like how Ringo has spots on his. The next horse that we're going to look at is Sugar. Sugar is considered a paint horse because she has very large patches of two different colors all over her body. The next horse that we're going to take a look at is Fleetwood. Fleetwood is considered a gray horse. He has a gray mane and tail. What also makes a gray horse gray is that they have black skin, unlike a white horse that has pink skin. The next horse we're going to take a look at is Poseidon. So Poseidon is considered a white horse. So as you can see here, he has really light eyes. He has a pink nose and he has pink a little bit around his eyes, which means he has pink skin. And then the rest of his body is just covered in white hair and he has a white mane and tail. So this is the difference between a gray and white horse. The next color coat that we're going to look at is a chestnut. So a chestnut is a horse that has kind of like a very, very, very light, almost brown looking coat. And they also have a matching mane and tail. The next coat color that we're going to look at is the liver chestnut. So the liver chestnut, just like the regular chestnut, has a matching mane and tail, except the liver chestnut is darker looking than the regular chestnut horse. The next horse that we're going to take a look at is Odin. Odin is considered a bay horse because he has black points on his body. So for example, he has a little black on his nose, he has a black mane, and he has a black tail, and he also has black on his lower legs. Indy is also considered a bay, but she's a little bit darker colored than Odin is. She still has a black mane and tail and black points at the bottom of her legs to make her a bay. This horse is a blue roan, and what makes a horse a blue roan is that all over her body she has a mixture of black and white hairs that almost make her look a little blue. Medusa is considered a black horse because the color that mostly takes up her entire body is black, and she also has a black mane and a black tail. The last horse coat color that we're going to look at is Daphne. So Daphne is considered a Palomino because Palominos have a dark colored body and their mane and tail are lighter. Thank you, Wisdom Tree Preschool, for hanging out with us today. We'll see you next time.